Hey guys, Glen Murray online. How are you? Hope you're doing good. Let me just make sure I got the sound levels here. Going. Perfect. All right. Okay, guys. Sorry. One of my daughters just knocked on the door as we're doing. Okay, so let's get into it. Number one simple way to do attraction marketing, affiliate marketing. We're going to do it attraction way. This is easy money, and this is the truth, guys, because a lot of stuff that you're taught is kind of the hard way to do it, and this is going to be the easy way. Now, one thing, it will cost you some money, but that's because you're going to treat it like a business and not a hobby. If you want to do it as a hobby, that's cool. I can show you some, definitely show you some techniques to do it. But if you want to replace your current income in the next 6 to 9 months, you got to treat this like a business. Go hard on it, invest money, invest some time into it, and you will have success. All right, enough said. Okay, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you like videos on making money. And I'm going to basically get into what is the number one simple way to do affiliate marketing. The easiest way to do affiliate marketing is basically email your list. That is the easiest way. A brand new offer comes out, you're going, like right now, Tony Robbins is doing a new thing with Clickfunnels, right? So bang, right there, the simple way to do that, to market that program, is to send it to your email list. You're going, Glenn, I don't have an email list. There's your problem. So what sets the top earners, and I'm talking like, 6, 7, 8 figure earners from everybody else that maybe makes a couple $100 a month, or maybe they haven't had their first sale, is they have a list, and they're able to market to that list, and they market to that list all the time. It's like that's your bread and butter. A lot of people build a blog and attract people to your blog. Yes, very slow way to do it, but it can be very lucrative. It takes years to get there though. This is the whole thing. I'm going to show you a way that you can basically full time and get there as quick as possible. And it's not going to cost you in buying ads on Facebook or Google. It is to do with buying some traffic, and that is part of the cost of it. But why this is the simplest way to do it is that it's truly on autopilot. When I was running ads on either Facebook or Bing, I'm kind of monitoring it all the time. I want to make sure that, like, I'm going in and making sure that my ads are converting, changing keywords all the time, and that kind of thing. Where this is just this system is so automatic, and that's why I call it the number one simplest way to do affiliate marketing, and basically the simplest way to make money. But remember what I said, this is not a free method. Once the system is set up, you can use free methods of traffic, but I recommend, if you really want to change your life in 6 to 9 months, you have to go hard. You need to follow the steps within the system and go hard, and do like put as much traffic as you possibly can at it, because that's how you get the results, and that's reality. And once you get the results, then you're going to have a list, and now you're able to sell them anything. Even if you didn't want to stay with the system I'm going to show you, you would have a huge list that you've built up, and then you're able to market whatever you want to them. You have a network marketing program, market to them. You have a crypto program, market to them. You have a travel program, market to them. You have a health and wellness thing, market to them, because what you've built is a list of business seekers. That's what it does. It finds people that are looking for ways to make money online. They want simple ways to do affiliate marketing or just to make money online. And that's what they're looking for. So now you've got a captive audience that you can basically market anything to. Capiche? Capiche? No. Do you understand? All right, so I'm going to show you the simple steps to get set up. This is basically a viral list builder, and how it works is that you basically point traffic at it, and they come into one of these landing pages. I can show you here. They've got a $9 capture page, and I was actually talking to someone that I was just in a network marketing company with, and we were talking about funnels, and it's brilliant because how a funnel works is you bring someone in on a $9 page, and then you basically ask them if they want extras with it, right? Just like, do you want fries with that? Just like McDonald's, you basically have a funnel that goes through. So this can get people trained and started for as little as $9. To utilize the entire system, it's like $50 a month, or it's $300 for the year. But it's an amazing system. That's the landing page stuff, right? So how it works is you let me go back to the So it's basically, there's 3 steps to getting set up. The first thing is you're going to come here, right? You're going to go into your dashboard. You're going to click Fast Start, and you're simply going to follow these steps. It literally takes 10 to 15 minutes, depending. If you're not tech savvy at all, it might take you 20 minutes. But you basically, right here, you're going to have a link, and you would click it, and you would then, if you're not already a member of Now Lifestyle, you would order the SendShark autoresponder. It's $25 a month, and then you would connect it to the system. That's all you have to do, because all you need is your username. Once you have your username there, it actually has already set up an email series for you. So there's nothing else to do. It's that simple. The next thing you need to do is you go over to Traffic Authority, and again, there would be a link here to click to it, and you basically join Traffic Authority, because this is where you're going to both sell traffic and buy traffic. Now remember, if you buy traffic, I'm going to make a commission. Just like when I buy traffic, the person that sponsored me into this system makes a commission, and the commissions there are very, very good. You can make up to 80% commissions on those traffic packages. And now you're going, oh, I have to buy traffic. Guys, this traffic converts. It converts so well. So you want to definitely get your traffic username, your reseller license, because you want to be able to resell it, right? So then the multiple streams of income is basically you're set up, right? You have your list leverage. I'm a super affiliate here. I'm connected to my autoresponder. You want all these green, and this is what you want. You want all of these green, and boom, you go. The last step is you basically start your traffic, and all you need to do is click here and go get your, and look at the commissions you can make, guys. 800, 1600, 3200. It's amazing commissions there. So that is basically how quick it is to get it set up. And you're going, oh yeah, it always seems that way. It really is. It's basically you just set up your system, you set up your income streams, and then you go promote one of the pages that I showed you at the beginning. Why is this the number one simple way to do affiliate marketing? Because so many other sort of programs teach you, create a blog and start blogging and keep adding content. And I agree, you should be doing that as well. And if you're an affiliate marketer, you should be doing that. But that is the slow boat, right? That is the slow way to do it. Even if you're adding a blog post, which is time, a blog post a day, and I still recommend you should be doing it. The other way is building up your YouTube channel. And trust me, I've been doing this for a year. I'm just starting to get some traction with some good views, right? So building up your YouTube channel. But I've been doing videos almost every single day for a year, guys. So I'm putting in the time. So but am I making sales from it? Yes. Have I monetized my channel yet? No. So I need you to subscribe. But I'm getting sales from YouTube, and I get sales from my blog, and I get sales from my Twitter account, and that kind of stuff. And so those are the sort of the free methods: the blog, the Twitter, the YouTube. But really, and Facebook, of course, Facebook groups. But the real thing is you want to be putting traffic in it. So just follow steps. Now, here's the deal that you're not going to be able to resist. Click the link below, get the viral list system, and you can take it, try it out. 30 days, money back guaranteed, full money back guaranteed, right? You just go try it. And if you don't see how it works, number 2, join the Facebook group. The Facebook group you're going to get so much value out of it. They give you this free Facebook access, which is basically training every single day. And that's where you want to be. You want to be in where the people are having $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 days, guys. Like someday, like it's huge, and other people are having like $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 weeks, whatever it is. But this is a system, and that's just one revenue stream, right? So this is why I call it the number one simple way to do affiliate marketing. You're not going and building someone else's list by promoting an affiliate product without a landing page. You're building your list. It's your asset. And guys, this is what's so great. If you go do the system for like 2 or 3 weeks and you don't want to keep it, all those leads that you got are yours. They're yours. They don't stay with the system. They're yours. They go to your autoresponder, right? You can download them. You can keep them. You can move them to another autoresponder. Whatever you want to do, you can do whatever you want with them. But those are your leads, right? And that's why, again, this is so simple. So when you've done this for 6 to 9 months, right? A new offer comes out, you get your affiliate link for it. You just simply type an email to your list and go, hey guys, brand new product. I really highly recommend it. Check it out. Click send, and you make money because you've got people on your list that are paying attention to you, and basically wanting to, they're on your list because they found something interesting in you. You had something to offer them, and they're staying on your list, right? And that's the key. You want to keep them engaged. um, don't don't build a list and don't email them. If you do that, no one will open your emails. If you send them an email every month, once a month, they're going to be going, who is this person? You need to send them an email every day. And sometimes just make sure that you're telling them who you are, what you're about, telling them you're there to help them, right? Like tell them like hey, reach out to me. I'm here to help you. You wouldn't know how many times when I send out an email that says, "Hey guys, if you need help, message me," and boom, 10 15 emails come back like, hey, I'm in the system but I don't know what I'm doing. No problem, let's show you where to either do what you need to do, or I can point you to the videos that show you how to do it. All right guys, that's how you can do it. The number one simple way to do affiliate marketing. This is easy money, guys. Easy money. And once it starts going, the way that the system works is that it doesn't really stop. It keeps building on itself, and you'll see that once you get in there and you watch the video on exactly the mechanics of how the system works. All right, guys, that's all I'll have for you. Make sure you hit subscribe. Make sure you go through the system. Full 30-day money back guarantee. Try it out. Get some leads, right? Get some leads, and if you know, maybe you'll get 100 leads and get your money back, and there you take the 100 leads and go sell them into whatever program you're in or something else. All right, guys. Again, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.